Welcome at AnnWanders. Do you hear water? It's time for us to get out from home and go where? Of course, to wander in nature. Because when we are wandering in nature, we became happy, relaxed, and very, very, how can I say this word? Content or inspired. And what is for you nature? Do you love to go out? Do you do this often or only as we are at weekend? We live in a city where nature places are far from us, and we have to travel in order to find a piece of quietness, some lovely spot where you just can stay and listen to nature. And I'm bringing you today to such a place. Green, calm, birds are singing, and with you. I hope this video will bring you some inspiration, calmness, and a little bit you will think about something different than your daily routine. Look at this beautiful path surrounded by many bushes, by many big trees. You are just walking here and you hear the sounds of wind which is blowing and as if talking to you and whispering to you, come here and enjoy the time with nature. And you look so small. The trees are so big. I'm just afraid that my head will be blown away because at once as I came out from home, it already happened. Fortunately, I can catch it. Not always I am walking through this path. And I love this path particularly because it has some superficially hidden energy. And if you are walking here, you can really catch this energy. And surely walking next to the water is very, very relaxing, profound. I wanted yet to share with you some peaceful moments near the lake. Because, you know, next to the water, it's always so refreshing and so inspiring and so calming next to the water. You have never recognized, but stay a couple of minutes next to water or just sit next to water and you will feel that something like bursting through your blood or through your body and head. You feel somehow more refreshed, inspired, very important calm. Nowadays life is so stressful and hectic that it's exactly being next to the water is the biggest antidepressant, if you know what I'm talking about. I wonder what is your secret place where you feel content in any time of the year. And this place only you know, and it's your secret place. So please share in comments, do you have such a place? Thank you for being with AnnWanders today on this amazing walk. Stay tuned because there will be more amazing places, more lovely thoughts. You'll try to satisfy your every wish.